That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet right now? Most people reach for it only when they cut a finger or scrape a knee. But what if that same bottle could replace half the cleaning products under your sink and do a better job? Hydrogen peroxide is one of the most underrated, underused, and underestimated liquids in any home. It kills bacteria, breaks down stains, eliminates odors, destroys mold, and leaves surfaces spotless, all without harsh chemical fumes or toxic residue. And the best part? It costs almost nothing. Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Marcus here. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on 20 powerful, practical, and proven ways to use hydrogen peroxide all around your home. From your kitchen to your laundry room, your bathroom to your backyard, this one simple solution is about to change the way you clean forever. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a single tip from this channel. And if you learned something new today, drop a comment below and share this video with someone who loves a good cleaning hack. All right, let's get into it. Counting down from use 20 all the way to use number 1. Use number 20, sanitize garbage cans. Garbage cans are one of the most neglected spots in any home. Even with a liner inside, liquids leak, bacteria builds up, and that sour smell never fully goes away. After you pull the trash bag out, spray the inside of the can generously with a mix of hydrogen peroxide and water in equal parts. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then allow it to air dry, ideally outside in direct sunlight. Sunlight actually amplifies the disinfecting power of hydrogen peroxide, breaking down organic waste and killing odor-causing bacteria at the same time. Do this once a week and you will never deal with a smelly bin again. Use number 19, freshen up the washing machine. Washing machines work hard, but they can become a hidden source of mold, mildew, and musty smells, especially if the door gets closed right after a cycle ends. Moisture gets trapped inside the drum and rubber seal, and over time, that creates a funk that transfers directly onto your clean clothes. Pour 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide directly into the drum and run a hot water cycle with nothing else inside. The heat, combined with the oxidizing action of the peroxide, will wipe out mold spores, bacteria, and any lingering odors. When the cycle ends, wipe down the rubber gasket with a cloth dampened with hydrogen peroxide. That seal is where most of the grime hides. Use number 18, remove stains and whiten whites. When it comes to laundry, hydrogen peroxide is one of the best natural alternatives to chlorine bleach. It brightens white fabrics without weakening the fibers or leaving behind that strong chemical smell. Pour 1 cup directly into the washing machine drum along with your regular detergent and run as normal. For stubborn stains like blood, wine, grass marks, or sweat marks, make a thick paste using equal parts hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and a small amount of dish soap. Rub it into the stain, leave it for 10 minutes, then toss the item into the wash. This combination is remarkably effective and safe on most fabrics. Always test on a small hidden area first, especially with colored clothes. Use number 17, kill dust mites in your mattress. Dust mites are invisible to the naked eye, but they live in mattresses by the millions, feeding on dead skin cells and thriving in warm, humid conditions. They're a leading trigger for allergies, sneezing, itchy eyes, and worsened asthma symptoms, particularly for older adults. Lightly mist the surface of your mattress with undiluted hydrogen peroxide from a spray bottle. Allow it to dry completely in a well-ventilated room before putting sheets back on. The peroxide penetrates the surface fibers and neutralizes dust mite colonies without the need for any chemical sprays. Do this monthly for the best results. Pairing this with regular vacuuming of the mattress surface makes it even more effective. Number 16. Sanitize beauty and hygiene tools. Think about how often you use your nail clippers, tweezers, eyelash curlers, and razors, and how rarely those items get properly cleaned. These tools come into direct contact with skin, and they can carry bacteria that cause infections, breakouts, or worse.
Wipe metal tools down with undiluted hydrogen peroxide and allow them to air dry. For toothbrushes, soak the bristle end in a cup of hydrogen peroxide for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly under running water. This removes bacteria that accumulate between uses, especially important after being sick. Make this part of your weekly hygiene routine, and it takes less than 5 minutes total. Number 15. Disinfect and deodorize pet areas. Pet owners know the challenge of keeping pet beds, crates, litter box areas, and feeding zones truly clean and odor-free. Many commercial pet cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to animals. Hydrogen peroxide at a 3% concentration, the standard drugstore variety, is a safer option for sanitizing hard surfaces in pet areas. Spray it onto floors, kennels, and plastic feeding bowls. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe clean with water. For pet accident stains on carpet or upholstery, apply hydrogen peroxide directly. Allow it to fizz and break down the organic material, then blot with a clean cloth. Always make sure the area is fully dry and ventilated before allowing pets back in.
Use number 14, clean retainers and dental appliances.
Retainers, dentures, and mouth guards accumulate bacteria, plaque, and odor-causing buildup quickly. Commercial cleaning tablets are expensive and often contain artificial additives. Instead, soak dental appliances in a solution of equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water for about 30 minutes once or twice a week. The peroxide works to kill bacteria and loosen mineral deposits without damaging the appliance material. Always rinse thoroughly with clean water before putting the appliance back in your mouth. This is a simple, affordable swap that many dental professionals actually recommend for between-office maintenance. Number 13. Sanitize sponges. Kitchen sponges are considered one of the most bacteria-contaminated objects in the entire home. They sit in moisture, absorb food particles, and spread germs across every surface they touch. Rather than throwing them out every week, extend their life and reduce bacteria levels by submerging your sponges in a bowl of equal parts hydrogen peroxide and warm water. Leave them to soak for 10 full minutes. This kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and also removes sour odors that build up inside the sponge fibers. Rinse under running water and squeeze out completely before storing. Do this every 2 to 3 days for best results.
Number 12. Clean fresh produce. Fruits and vegetables often carry pesticide residue, wax coatings, soil bacteria, and surface contaminants, even the ones labeled organic. Rinsing under tap water alone removes only a fraction of these residues. Make a produce wash by combining 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts cold water in a large bowl or clean basin. Submerge your fruits and vegetables and allow them to soak for up to 10 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly under cold running water and pat dry with a clean towel before storing or eating. This method is particularly useful for produce with porous skins like strawberries, grapes, and leafy greens, where contaminants can cling more stubbornly.
Use number 11, sanitize cutting boards.
Boards develop tiny surface cuts and grooves over time, and those grooves become trapping points for raw meat juices, vegetable residue, and bacterial colonies, including E. coli and Salmonella. Pour a generous amount of hydrogen peroxide directly onto the board and use a clean brush or sponge to scrub it into every groove and edge. Let it sit for at least 3 minutes before rinsing with water and allowing the board to air dry. For extra protection, follow the hydrogen peroxide with a light rinse of white vinegar. The two create a powerful sanitizing effect when used in sequence, though they should never be mixed together in the same bottle. This applies to both wooden and plastic boards. Number 10. Clean the refrigerator. Your refrigerator keeps food fresh, but it can also harbor old spills, sticky residue, and cross-contamination between raw and ready-to-eat foods.
Many refrigerator cleaners leave behind a chemical smell that transfers to food. Hydrogen peroxide has no lingering scent once it dries and evaporates. Fill a spray bottle with 3% hydrogen peroxide and spray the interior shelves, walls, crisper drawers, and door compartments. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes, then wipe down with a damp cloth, followed by a dry one. Pay a special attention to the vegetable drawer, which is one of the highest bacteria zones in most refrigerators due to soil residue and moisture buildup from produce. Number 9. Deodorize and clean the dishwasher. A dishwasher that smells bad will transfer that odor to your dishes, defeating the whole purpose of running it. Food debris and grease collect in the filter, door seal, and spray arms, creating a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. Place a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide in a small bowl on the top rack of your empty dishwasher and run a full hot cycle. After the cycle completes, open the door and spray hydrogen peroxide along the rubber door gasket and around the drain area. Wipe with a cloth to remove any residue. Do this once a month as regular maintenance, and your dishwasher will stay fresh and function more efficiently.
Number 8. Clean and brighten grout lines. Grout between bathroom and kitchen tiles turns gray and brown over time as dirt, mold, soap residue, and mildew accumulate in its porous surface. Regular mopping barely touches it. To restore grout to a clean, bright appearance, mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts baking soda to form a thick paste. Apply the paste directly to the grout lines using a stiff bristled brush or an old toothbrush. Scrub firmly in small circular motions. The baking soda provides gentle abrasion while the hydrogen peroxide bleaches discoloration and kills mold at the same time. Leave the paste on for 5 to 10 minutes before wiping away with a wet cloth. For severely stained grout, repeat the treatment 2 days in a row. Number 7. Remove soap scum from showers and tubs. Soap scum is that white or gray film that builds up on shower walls, glass doors, and bathtub surfaces. It forms when the minerals in water combine with soap residue and stick to surfaces over time. Commercial removers work, but they often contain strong acids and fumes that are unpleasant in enclosed bathroom spaces. Instead, mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part hydrogen peroxide until it forms a thick, spreadable paste. Apply it to the affected surfaces with a sponge, scrub well, and leave it for 5 minutes. The paste clings to vertical surfaces far better than a liquid spray, giving the hydrogen peroxide more contact time to break down the scum. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to finish. Number 6. Disinfect toilet bowls and surfaces. The toilet is one of the highest germ surfaces in any home and requires regular disinfecting to stay truly hygienic. Pour 1 full cup of hydrogen peroxide directly into the toilet bowl, making sure it coats the inner walls as much as possible. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes undisturbed so it can break down mineral stains, kill bacteria, and neutralize odors. Then scrub with a toilet brush, paying close attention to the underside of the rim where bacteria tend to collect in hard-to-see areas. Wipe the outer surfaces of the toilet, tank, handle, seat, and base with a cloth sprayed with hydrogen peroxide. This entire process takes less than 20 minutes and leaves the toilet genuinely disinfected, not just wiped clean. Number 5. Streak-free mirror cleaning. Many glass cleaners leave behind a faint film or streaks that are more visible in certain lighting. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent alternative because it evaporates quickly and completely, leaving no residue. Lightly mist the mirror surface with hydrogen peroxide from a spray bottle. Do not oversaturate. Wipe immediately with a clean lint-free cloth or microfiber towel in smooth, overlapping strokes. The result is a crystal-clear reflection with 0 streaking. This method also works beautifully on glass shower doors and windows. If the glass is very dirty, wipe with a damp cloth first to remove loose debris, then apply the hydrogen peroxide for the final clean finish.
Number 4. Eliminate mold and mildew from walls and ceilings. Mold growth on bathroom walls, ceilings, or basement surfaces is a serious health concern, especially for seniors and those with respiratory conditions. Small patches of surface mold can often be addressed without professional help. Spray undiluted hydrogen peroxide directly onto the moldy area and leave it without wiping for at least 10 minutes. The peroxide penetrates the surface and kills mold at the root rather than just removing what is visible on top. After 10 minutes, scrub with a stiff brush and wipe clean with a dry cloth. For ceiling mold, use a sponge applicator to avoid dripping. Ventilate the room well during and after treatment. Always wear gloves when working with mold. Number 3. Refresh and sanitize carpets. Carpets trap odors, bacteria, allergens, pet dander, and stains deep within their fibers, and most carpet sprays only mask the smell rather than eliminating the source. For general freshening, lightly mist the carpet surface with diluted hydrogen peroxide, 1 part peroxide to 5 parts water, and allow it to dry completely. For spot stains from food, drinks, or pet accidents, apply undiluted 3% hydrogen peroxide directly to the stain, let it fizz for a few minutes, then blot firmly with a clean white cloth. Never rub the stain, always blot from the outside edges inward. Always test hydrogen peroxide on a hidden section of carpet first, as it can lighten some colored fibers. Number 2. Sanitize kitchen countertops and surfaces. Kitchen countertops come into contact with raw food, dirty hands, spills, and crumbs every single day. Even surfaces that look clean can carry dangerous bacteria like Listeria and Campylobacter after preparing raw chicken or other meats. After cleaning visible debris with soap and water, spray hydrogen peroxide directly onto the countertop surface. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes before wiping with a clean cloth. Unlike bleach, hydrogen peroxide does not require rinsing before you place food back on the surface, and it leaves no harmful residue once it evaporates. It is also safe to use on granite, quartz, laminate, and stainless steel countertops without causing damage or discoloration. Number 1. Purify and deodorize the air in your home. This one surprises most people. Hydrogen peroxide can actually be used to reduce airborne bacteria, viruses, and mold spores in enclosed spaces. When diluted, 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 9 parts water, it can be misted lightly into the air in rooms that tend to get stale, damp, or musty, such as basements, bathrooms, or rooms that lack good ventilation. Some hospitals and medical facilities use aerosolized hydrogen peroxide as part of their room disinfection protocols because of how effective it is at reducing airborne pathogens. For home use, a light misting and allowing it to settle and evaporate is sufficient. This is especially useful during cold and flu season or after someone in the household has been sick. Always ventilate the room afterward and keep the concentration low for safe home use. And there you have it, 20 practical, powerful, and proven uses for hydrogen peroxide that go far beyond the medicine cabinet. From killing dust mites in your mattress to purifying the air in your home, this single, affordable bottle can handle more household tasks than most people ever realize. It is non-toxic, biodegradable, and leaves no harmful residue once it breaks down into water and oxygen. That makes it one of the safest and most effective cleaning tools available to any household. Marcus here with Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and if this video opened your eyes to how versatile hydrogen peroxide really is, then do us a favor. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people find content like this. Share it with a friend or family member who is always looking for smarter ways to clean their home. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. We put out practical, no-nonsense cleaning tips designed specifically for keeping your home clean, safe, and healthy. Got a use for hydrogen peroxide that we did not cover today? Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. Until next time, keep your home clean and keep it simple.